Alright, recording. So I've got a GoPro Hero 4 Silver with the built-in touch back LCD. So this has a problem with the widespread freeze issues that people are having. So I'm going to turn it on, see if it freezes in front of the camera too, like I do. Alright, so turn it on, unlock the screen, and I'm just going to browse through the menu. Okay, let's see, I think it already froze up on playback. Okay, so the touch is unresponsive. Okay, it did work, so let's see if we have any image. We do have image. It froze up for a bit, it came back on. Huh. What? So let's see. Let's just try recording. Okay, video. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? So it's not freezing up, but yeah. Okay, I think it's done now. Pressing on the mode button, nah. Might come back again. Let's give it a try. Press the shutter, nothing. Yeah. So I think it's time to take the battery out, and let's see if I can get this GoPro Hero 4 Silver to function again. So I'm going to pull the battery out and start going in. Alright, so let's see. Take the SD card out. I think you can see me. Let's see. Okay. I think take it from a different angle or something. Let's see. Much better. Just try not to damage the housing, the front faceplate. So there's lots of adhesive holding it down right under the Hero 4 Silver writing. So generally kind of pry the locks out. I think almost done here. Okay, so it's stuck right here. Let's use this tool. Let's see. Okay, we're in, and the front faceplate, I can still reuse it. Put it aside, the power button aside, and let's take these Phillips. One. Two. And three. So these are the long screws. Three of these, and the bottom left is the shorter one where the battery goes. So don't mix it up. If you mix it up, you're gonna see a hole through the other side, or most likely on the battery compartment. Shorter screw, 3 and 1 short. So start from the charging port and the micro SD card area. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is just have to be very careful because there's like flexes going to the LCD and the touch. So I'm going to disconnect the imaging sensor flex. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's my hands on the way. Okay, let's get this out. And I got a replacement here. Just gonna put this back. Hopefully this solves the freeze issues on the Hero 4 Silver GoPro. So I'm just gonna put 2 screws in diagonally. Hi.
Hi.
How can I help you?
I've got a broken iPhone screen.
iPhone screens.